Want to tweak your computer's hidden settings, but unsure how to access them? Today, we're diving into how to enter the BIOS on your Windows 11 machine, the gateway to hardware configuration and boot options. First things first, what exactly is BIOS? BIOS, or Basic Input-Output System, is essentially your computer's backstage pass, controlling hardware operations before Windows even loads. Knowing how to get in can be super handy for customization and troubleshooting. Let's jump into the methods. The most common way to enter the BIOS is during startup. This usually involves pressing a specific key repeatedly as your computer turns on. This key varies from system to system. Common keys are delete, F2, F12, or ESC. But your computer will generally display which key to press briefly during the startup process. Keep an eye on the initial splash screen, often displaying the manufacturer's logo. As soon as you press your power button, start rapidly pressing whatever key your computer indicates. If you miss it, simply restart your computer and try again. Make sure you're mashing the key before the Windows logo appears. Now, if you're finding it tricky to catch that key press, Windows 11 offers a smoother method via the Settings menu. First, navigate to Settings, then click System, and next select Recovery. You'll see an Advanced Startup section. Click the button that says Restart Now. Your computer will restart into the Advanced Startup Options menu. From there, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and finally, UEFI Firmware Settings. Click the button to restart and you'll boot directly into the BIOS. And there you have it. You should see your BIOS screen. From there, you can adjust boot order, monitor hardware, and change many other settings specific to your motherboard. Remember to save your changes before exiting, but be careful, as incorrect adjustments can affect your system's performance. Now, you're ready to take control of your computer's low-level settings.